Hey y'all, it's Beautybyjoliee. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a no flashback whatsoever makeup routine, and I'm going to prove it to you by taking a picture right in front of your face. So if you want to see this look, then just keep on watching. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get 2,500 subscribers. Also have your post notifications turned on. That way you're notified every single time that I upload. And that's basically it. I'm not trying to make you wait too long for this intro, so let's just get on to this video. Okay guys, so to start, I'm just going to comb out my eyebrows just to make sure they're in shape for me to fill them in. And I'm filling them in with the Anastasia Dip Brow in Ebony. Next, I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn just to line up my eyebrows, make them more sharp and more arched, and just make them look really pretty. I'm going to take this Real Techniques brush and just blend out all that concealer so that it doesn't look too, just harsh, like there's no harsh line. Obviously I need to blend it out, so I just took that brush and did that. And after that, to prime my eyes, I'm taking the Carity primer and I'm just going to simply apply that to my eyes. We're not doing a crazy look today, so I don't need a concealer. I'm just using a basic primer. And then I'm taking the EYN Fiery palette by Beautybyjoliee and taking that golden shade in the upper right corner, and I'm applying that with my finger. That's all you gotta do. It's so easy, just your finger and tapping that onto my eyelid. Now I'm taking the NYX matte liner and I'm going to make a small wing on my eyes and just, make a small wing on my eyes. For lashes, I'm taking the Goddess Collection lashes in the style Abuk, and I'm just going to place that on both of my eyes. And I'm not sure if Goddess Collection sells lashes anymore. I gotta double check on that, but when I was on their Instagram, I didn't see any lashes on their page. So I'm assuming they stopped, but yeah, I gotta double check on that and let you guys know. But I'm going to take that champagne in the palette and place that in my inner corner so that my inner corners pop. And yeah, that's basically it. Okay, to start off the face, I'm gonna spray my face with the Mario Badescu spray, and I'm just going to spray my face with that just to make it more moisturized. And for primer, I'm taking the Maybelline Master Prime, and I'm just, applying that all over my face to prepare for the foundation so that it lasts nice and long. And also, this causes no flashback. If you moisturize your face enough and use enough primer, it's a good way to not have flashback. So, next, I'm taking the Juvia's Place foundation in the shade, oh my gosh, I was about to say Style, in the shade Burkina, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face, guys. This is my favorite foundation. I swear to you, this is the most favorite foundation I ever came across, and I love it. I don't think I'll ever stop buying it because, guys, it's just great. You only need like a couple drops to cover your whole entire face, and it's, thick, it's full coverage. I just really like it. Alright, so to conceal, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C12, and I'm just going to go under my eyes and down my nose. I'm not going to apply it to my forehead and my chin like I used to because I just changed it up. I don't like that look anymore. Well, maybe I like that look if I want to be more dramatic with my look, but this is everyday. It's supposed to be natural, so I don't want to be too bold with it. So I'm just going to do under my eyes and down my nose, and that's it. Okay, so to set, I'm going to take the Sacha Buttercup and I'm just going to set my under eye and down my nose with my beauty sponge from Beautybyjoliee. And as you can see, I applied a lot, so I really gotta like blend before it dries, otherwise it's just gonna look like a cakey mess. So just make sure you're patting it into the skin. Do not spread it, just pat it, like pat into the skin. That way it looks more natural and it's not, you know, it's hard to explain, but just long story short, just pat it into your skin. It just looks the best that way. Okay, so for all over my face, I'm taking the Lorac PF6 powder and I'm just going to buff that all into my skin, and this is just going to warm up my skin and also set the whole entire face. Okay, so I'm setting my skin with the Morphe setting mist, and guys, I love this setting mist. It's only like, I think, $16 in Ulta, so get your hands on some because it makes your makeup bomb, okay? So, for highlight, I'm taking the Gerard Cosmetics highlight, and this is in the shade Dorothy, and I'm just going to apply that on my cheekbones and on my nose, guys. Oh my gosh, look how this makes my skin so golden. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Guys, look at this lip liner. It's on its last leg. It's 3 years old. I need to throw it out, but it's just too pretty to throw out. Like, oh my gosh. But I'm applying the Colourpop brown lip liner. I forget the name, but I'll make sure to put it in the description box so you guys can check it out. But I'm just lining my lips with this brown lip liner, and I'm gonna make like a pop-in lip liner and just clear gloss lip look. And it's just gonna look so pretty. It reminds me of like the 90s. I wore it the other day in one of my recent YouTube videos, but this look is so pretty. And now for the gloss, I'm just taking some regular clear lip gloss. You can get it at your local beauty supply store, and I'm just going to blend the lip gloss and the brown lip liner together, and it's just going to create this beautiful lip color. I just love it. I love the bold lip liner, and I love the center of the lips. It just makes this beautiful lip combination. And that, my friends, is the end of this video. It's the end of this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. Time for the grand reveal of if this makeup routine is actually no flashback, because honestly, I don't know, because you never know until the end, because you gotta like actually take a picture to prove that it's no flashback. So let's turn this ring light off. Ooh, that lighting sucks, but I have my phone right here and the flash is on, and I'm gonna take a picture. And guys, look what we have here. It is no flashback. I'm turning the light back on though. So this picture proves that my makeup routine I just showed you guys is no flashback. So I'm gonna take another one just to show you guys again. No flashback whatsoever. Alright, so my camera's dying, so I gotta hurry up with this outro, but I hope you guys like this video. I know I kind of confused you guys on my whole boyfriend like couples channel and changing my beauty channel to a couple channel, but I decided that I'm not gonna do that. I actually made a separate channel for my boyfriend and I, so if you'd like to go subscribe, the link is in the description. It's called Ari and Rye. We're gonna make a lot of couple videos like pranks, vlogs, and all things like that. So if you wanna, you know, go check that out, go ahead. The link is in the description. But if you like this video, I'm gonna continue posting beauty related videos, so don't worry. I know you guys don't gotta unsubscribe, because I know that's not, you know, the whole couple channel is not what you asked for. So I'm gonna continue with the whole beauty thing on this channel. So subscribe to my channel. 2,500 subscribers is what I'm looking forward to. Like this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and let me know some suggestions so I can make some videos regarding those suggestions. Let me know your feedback, because I like hearing from you guys. If you guys are silent, like, I'm not gonna know what you guys want to see from me. So yes, that is all I have to say. Have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.